Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Happy Diwali to all my viewers. Today I am here with a sweet recipe that is Shakkarpare. This is one of my favorite sweets during festive occasions, so let's get started. For making Shakkarpare, I have taken 4 glasses of maida or all-purpose flour. Into this I am going to add less than 2 glasses of powdered sugar, which is exactly about 1 and 3/4 glass of powdered sugar. Mix maida and powdered sugar very well with the help of your hands, and once it gets mixed, you can add a pinch of salt. Mix it well. Now in the same measuring glass, I have taken half a glass of ghee. Melt it nicely and add this hot ghee into the mixture of maida and sugar. Mix it very well so that each particle of the mixture gets coated with the ghee. For thorough mixing, you can rub this mixture in between your palms so that the ghee spreads all over uniformly into the mixture. Now after this, knead this mixture with the help of some milk. Take about 1 glass of milk, but add in only required quantity of milk so that we get a thick and soft dough out of it. Don't add extra amount of milk. If you want to avoid milk, you can add water also. Keep this dough for resting for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take out the dough and knead it very thoroughly. Take a large sized ball out of that dough so that we can roll it into a large sized paratha. With the help of a rolling pin, you can roll this into a round shape. When we get the exact shape, you can cut it with a knife into square shaped pieces. If you feel that our dough has become little sticky, you can dust some all-purpose flour while rolling it on the rolling platform. You can repeat this procedure with the remaining dough also. Now take a pan, add sufficient quantity of oil into it. Keep the flame low to medium and add these shakkarpares into the oil. Fry it gently until golden brown. You may feel that the pieces are sticking with each other, but don't worry, after some time when it becomes roasted, they will get separated automatically. So once they turn golden brown, you can remove it with the help of a strainer and transfer it onto a tissue paper. So our shakkarpares have turned golden brown. They are ready to be taken out. So you can see the tasty, crispy, golden brown shakkarpares are ready. Children as well as adults will love this recipe, so definitely give it a try. I thank my viewers wholeheartedly for giving me 500 subscribers on this Diwali. Thanks for watching the video.